well, we made it after 2.5 hours in the car and about 21 miles on the ATV. We're gonna start setting up camp.
Oh, that. Look at this. When you pull that, that's the middle.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the tent roughly set up. I'll play around with it tomorrow when I'm a little less tired. It's probably 11 o'clock at night now. I got a little firewood put together, got the wood stove going. We're gonna have a camp meal and we're gonna call it a night and we'll start fishing in the morning. All right, it's early in the morning. I'm still a little tired, but I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm gonna go ahead and start fishing. Ooh. A chunky fish. Ooh, beautiful fish.
It is just gorgeous today. Dennis is down fishing. We had some coffee. We are pretty excited to be back here. This is our second trip. We just kind of checked it out the first time. It was the first time fishing this river. We are going to try to get a boatload of fish to take back home and process out to help us get through this long winter. We are really excited to put the work in and really grateful that we have this opportunity because we've always dreamt of doing this. All right, Dennis got a few more fish that he gutted down there. We are going to cook up this roe with our burgers. It is so good.
Slow. That's awesome. Well, I'm gonna get back to fishing.
Hungry, Weenie?
That's a beauty. Looks like rain's starting to move in. The shale here just breaks all apart. Really hard to walk on.
Look at that, Lena. Is that a big fish?
That's ginormous.
I got 3 more big chunky salmon on my stringer down there. Oh man, look at that.
Wow, that is awesome. All right, well, Dennis got a beautiful king. Our cooler is chock full. It's time to go down to the creek, fillet these, clean them up, and make some room for more fish.
Okay. I've never filleted one of these. Okay, we got all the fish broken down. They're not the prettiest fillets, but we'll clean them up when we get back home. But we made some fuller space, and yeah, we probably got room for about another 10 or so fish, and then we'll have to probably head into town and grab a bigger cooler. Yeah, fish are in. Fishing's picking up.
Hey, we are gonna cook some dinner. We're just gonna take some roe and some of the meat we scraped from the bodies and fry them up in a pan and put them on our sourdough flatbread with a little bit of cream cheese. This is so good. Delicious, like out of this world good.
Like you gotta put it right in front of our mouth. This has to be one of the most beautiful parts of Alaska. There's a few folks with some skiffs out here fishing, but no one fishing from shore. We got about almost a month jump on the rest of the state with our fishing with these federal permits. I have a feeling that this spot would not be available later in the year.
It is a gorgeous morning. We wish we could just stay here and fish, but we are completely out of cooler space and running low on ice. So we are gonna run into the nearest grocery store here, grab some ice, and hopefully they have a cooler. Dennis is already down there fishing. He caught 2 already, so they're coming in good now. So we're gonna run out, run back as quick as we can. Got it?
Okay, we got some supplies. We're gonna head back to camp. Okay, Amy's gonna go ahead and start lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and start fishing.
Got some beautiful comfrey over here, also called knit bone. We like to put this in our pain salve. This is great for sealing up wounds, especially open gaping wounds. We got our fish all filleted and put into gallon baggies, put back in the cooler, made a little room. Dennis is down fishing again. He used to commercial fish with my father on my father's lobster boat for years. He's all about fishing, and we have made a goal to get 100 fish by the end of this trip. What'd you get, Leanie?
We got some things to go with the salmon. I'll take some greens and salmon eggs.
Greens and salmon eggs for you, huh? Hey. First fish. It is lean.
So it's about 11 o'clock. I went down for an hour, and needless to say, the fishing's picking up. We got 10 fish, so total we're almost, we're knocking at the door 70 fish. We should easily make 100 this trip, and that's a good jab at our 500 max. Another beautiful morning. Let's go see if we can get some fish. Okay, I got about 6 before breakfast, which is a decent start. I'm gonna go ahead and load these in the cooler, have a little breakfast, some coffee. Probably gonna have to process some of these out because we're already getting full in this cooler. I have another cooler about 7 miles back in the car that I'm gonna have to go grab.
Lena, you want some?
Yeah.
It always comes out better cooked on the fire.
It's better on the fire, it always is. All right, we are gonna clean this up a little bit, make a little room in the cooler, then head back, maybe cook dinner, and keep fishing.
Give it a whole chest freezer full of whole salmon to
Go through.
go through.
We're gonna keep fishing here for a little bit longer, probably hit the sack pretty soon, and then get up in the morning. I think we have some plans to start fishing about 4 a.m.
Okay, it's about 5 in the morning. I'm gonna head back down and start fishing. Spruce tips are getting big. The fishing finally started to pick up last night around 10:30, 11. I got about 20 fish in, I don't know, a few hours. which is pretty decent fishing. So hopefully it stays that way today and we can fill our coolers and head home. There we go. A pretty good start this morning. That's a good sign. That was about 2 and 5 minutes. This definitely is God's country. 10 beautiful places that I've been in this state, and there's a lot of them. If you ever pick fish on a commercial boat, it's rough work. That's why they call it a gill net. Gets them right by the gills. We're gonna head down, do a little more fishing. We're all a little beat up. It's been 4 days of salmon camp here, and we're all pretty tired, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna try to at least get 100 fish before we go home. So we have about like 20 or so to go.
Loads of berries and medicinos just all over. That is high bush cranberry, also known as cramp bark. So the bark and the stems of these are really, really great antispasmodic medicine.
The fish that's gonna hit this net right now is swimming up this river. He's on his way to our net.
You got a king. Yay!
What a beauty.
Yay! There you go.
Nice fish.
First one after dinner. All right. I got about 5 salmon in my backpack. They heavy. Okay. Got a few more fish. We're all real tired. It's maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure what time it is, but we're gonna make a hot tea, hit the sack.
Just to give you some comparison. Well, it's day 5 of fish camp. The girls are still asleep. It's about 5 a.m. I'm gonna go down, see if I can get a few more fish so we can hopefully go home today. Woo. Well, there we go, 5 days. We got 100 fish. We're all pretty tired now, so we're gonna start breaking down camp. I think Lena had fun and we're glad to give her this experience. We're gonna break down camp and head home because I'm pretty wiped. Big tent, it is pretty, easily collapsible. It's coming out the blow.
Okay. Yeah, you want the straw?